Okay, I thought you were gonna fall for a second and that made me really nervous. Good morning. I absolutely refuse to let intrusive thoughts about my body ruin my weekend, so I wanted to bring you guys with me and kind of focus on confidence and just nurturing my body and my mind with things that I love to do and food that I love to eat, and just make myself feel good all around because I deserve to feel good all around. Given the year we've all had, like the fact that I'm fully vaccinated now and I'm feeling these intrusive thoughts, I'm like, no, I'm gonna stop them in their tracks and I'm gonna have a good weekend. I just got water down my sports bra.
Hey.
Hello.
You look gorgeous.
Oh, thank you. Hope you're having a good day. Oh my god, that was freezing. Okay, I was gonna say that I'm gonna make breakfast. I've been editing a little bit. My stomach has been like really acting up weird and I don't know why, so I kind of just want to do like a really basic bowl of oatmeal. This is the oatmeal I use. Oh, and it's the last one. Good morning. I'm doing a casting director workshop and I'm rehearsing or like running my lines with my friend who's doing the same session as me. I figure Go Hard or Go Home, I'm doing a scene from Ozark as Ruth Langmore? Ruth Langmore? I've only seen the pilot, so I'm actually not sure what the character's last name is right now. I need to do some eyeliner and stuff to get into character. I'm exhausted, but I'm so excited for this. It's like a 3-week session. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'm like, is it full character to like just have my hair up like that? Ew, that's ugly. Okay. Good morning. Let's do this, Bobby. We got it.
Do it. Go.
Oh my god, that was like a whole day thing. It is 1:30 now and Bobby and I met at 8 a.m. Crazy, but it went really well. I got great feedback and a lot to work on. I really like the notes, so I'm really glad that I did that. Just packing up out of Nick's office. Just like that. Time to strike the set.
Perfect.
Nick's mom made cookies. I'm a sucker for like warm, gooey cookies. Ignore the mess, please. I went to Home Goods and Marshall's because, as you guys know, I'm like trying to actually make my home a home. Begrudgingly, because it's just really hard for me to justify buying home decor for some reason. Like I can buy clothes, I can buy like camera equipment, I can buy acting equipment, headshot shit, but like I can't justify buying things for my home for some reason. And Nick's mom's in town and she like is so gracious in helping me. A lot of it comes down to like the decision making, but also because I'm fun employed, taking money that I'm not getting in right now is really difficult just for me to do. But we're doing it in small bites, okay? So I got 2 rugs from Ruggable and they're currently in the mail. I got one for the living room and then a runner for the kitchen. The color palette that we're working with is very like jewel toned, kind of like California modern, very fun colors. I love the idea of doing these like jewel tones. Why do the cars need to do that? Anyway, got a little pillow from Home Goods. This fun navy blue with this kind of animal kind of print. Then from Home Goods, then from Marshall's, got an AirPods case. This one's just really cute. It's like pink and sparkly and something that I'll be able to find in my purse. Ginger chews, because they're freaking delicious. Why did I decide to chew that mid-sentence? That was not a good move. Okay. Got this little thing, this little blue jar. Don't know where I'm gonna put it, but this is the right color. And then I got this cool ceramic bowl. I'm gonna put onions and potatoes and garlic here. We usually have them in this like woven basket, but all of the shells and how do you call them? What's like the outside of the onion? The peel? It like will fall beneath if it's small enough. So I think an actual bowl would be the better option. Ooh! Fogged the camera right up. It smells so fresh. Like the mint is just so crisp.
I want to get it well stirred in so it just wilts them a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
Okay. Okay.
Let's do it. I hope I've never given you the impression that I wake up any different than this. Monday morning, I want to work out, I want to go on a run. My stomach is still literally hating me. I think I want to put myself on a run just to like get my body moving and then literally eat the most bland things because I don't know what's going on. It's just so bizarre. It's been like a week now, so monitoring it. Just girly things. Just girl boss things. Don't forget to grab a water if you have not yet. Like, you're kidding me. You're freaking kidding me. This looks unfreaking real. Jack Johnson, I understand you now. Here was my thought process behind the pancakes, okay? I figure babies have sensitive stomachs, right? So if I eat foods that babies will eat, maybe my stomach will react better. That made sense in my head. But anyway, I've always wanted to make these. 1 second. Ugh. Okay, what I was saying is babies have sensitive some babies have sensitive stomachs. I keep wanting to say stomachs. My stomach literally hates me right now. And I figure why don't I eat what babies eat, which is banana pancakes. And I've always wanted to try this. It's banana pancake. Oh my God. It's banana, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, a half teaspoon of baking powder. And then I put some almond extract, vanilla extract, and raspberries in here, along with some syrup. Like I understand the hype now. I've literally never made these pancakes before and I always see everyone making them. It's so good. Oh my God. Okay. Oops. Yeah, please don't judge me. Still have not changed from my run this morning. But in my defense, I have gone on multiple walks today, so it was just really easy to stay in this outfit. I was writing in my journal. How cute is my journal? I'm working on my sticker collection. We've got some wildflower ones, Harry Styles. These are from Gold. I'm feeling really anxious, just because I've quit my job. You know, I'm pursuing acting full-time, content creation on the side, and I'm just feeling a lot of pressure and just feeling anxious right now about that decision because it's a huge decision. It's one that I have to like constantly remind myself, like, you're not gonna see results. Today marks the 3rd week of quitting my job, and I didn't even give myself a break, really. I just kind of like jumped right into it. I feel really confident in my ability to pursue acting. I'm just feeling anxious because my emotions are just like running high. It's kind of like facing reality. I'm like, I just got my last paycheck. Anyway, I'm going to sit with this a little bit, definitely take it to therapy this week, and I hope you guys enjoyed this ride. This is kind of a random vlog, but I'm excited to just see where this takes me. I don't know. How do you guys feel about this new content, by the way, incorporating more acting stuff? Since I would categorize myself as actor first, content creator second. I want my channel to reflect that as well. Anyway, I'm just kind of stream of consciousness talking right now, and I'm sure that if I left this recording, I could just keep going on and on and on, but I will spare you and instead wish you having instead I wish you have a great week. And then also, I reminded you earlier, but if you're still here, please go grab a second glass of water because we stay hydrated. Okay, bye.